Hi everyone, this is a tutorial inspired by Meghan Markle's wedding makeup. If you're interested, then please keep watching. I started off with this Wax primer, which really helps to brighten up your skin, and then I sprayed MAC's Fix Plus all over. I then took the YSL corrector, this is a peach shade, and I placed that under my eyes, on my forehead, around my nose and my mouth. I then blended that all away with a damp beauty blender. I then took my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, which is basically a complexion booster. So it's not a foundation, it's like a primer with a hint of highlight. And it basically creates a kind of filtered look, which is really nice for photos. This product is honestly perfect for the no makeup look, which is the kind of look that Meghan was wearing on the day of her wedding, so I thought that was perfect. I then took my MAC NW20 concealer and I placed that under my eyes, my forehead and my nose and around my mouth, and I did it quite lightly because obviously Meghan didn't have that much face makeup going on, so everything had to be quite light. I then took my Nars Duo palette, which contains the shade Orgasm and Casino, and I brushed it on very lightly on my face as Meghan didn't have that much colour going on. I then took Faryal illuminator, it's the pinky shade, and I brushed that quite lightly around my face, mainly on my cheekbones, and I didn't use much product because I wanted to look very natural. Moving on to eyes, I took the Smashbox gel liner in the brown shade and I placed that all over my eyelids. I then took my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, taking the lightest shade, I placed it all over my brow bones, and I did this quite generously because I noticed her bone was quite deep and it was covered entirely in a very light shade. Then taking a more of a lighter brown, I placed that directly into my crease, so not like above and blending it away, it was literally on the crease. And I then took a darker brown shade which I patted and spread around the lids. Meghan actually had the MAC pencil Teddy placed on her waterline. I don't have that pencil, but I do have the pencil Smolder, so I placed that onto my waterline. I then placed mascara on my lashes and added some fake lashes on top. Meghan wasn't wearing these kind of lashes, she's actually wearing the individual ones, but I don't have this. Moving on to lips, Meghan was wearing quite a pinky nude kind of lip, so I placed the MAC lip liner all over my lips, and then I added the Ilamasqua, don't know if I'm saying it right, lipstick in the shade Bear all over my lips. Then took the Huda Beauty lip strobe and I patted this onto my lips very lightly. And that's the final look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.